Hello, Dolly friends, and welcome to my channel. I got this another birthday gift. I got the Tweevils, Bratz Tweevils, off of Amazon. The packaging, I kind of did some of that, but the packaging was kind of damaged, so they got teared off. There's the side, there's the back, there's that, and it says, Mean Girl Alert, it's the Tweevils. Christine and Casey, the seriously evil twin duo who are out to wreck the Bratz plans, Bratz plans, as long as they don't wreck themselves first. Clad in pink and ready to rule the fashion world, at least they think so. These girls are nothing but bad news. So, I think that is Casey. She's got the band-aid on her nose, and my nose, and this is Christy. She says whatever. There's the Amazon. Said it's been Amazon warehouse inspected, but okay, well, let's take a look at them real quick. I'll just start with Casey. I love her. She got the blonde hair up a little bun. She got the little pink bow. Got pink earrings. And her little pink dress. Got little buttons at the top. And little white little trim on the bottom. And her pink sandals. Got the toe out, the back, it's her hair from the back, dress velcros, and she's got a band-aid, she's got pink lips, and I'll see her plan. And here's Christy. She has like a pink, it's kind of like a crown with some pearls on it. I don't kind of how they're a little different with the wearing their hair, but she got the same pink earrings, and they're about to have a blue eyeshadow and pink lip. She's got the same pink dress. Same shoes. They have the articulated arms. Like that, meet at the shoulders, the elbow and the wrist. Like I think the collectors have that. And they got the snapping second snap knees, so nice articulation. That's how she was from the back. She got maybe a little different, lift her eyebrow, that's a little different. Casey's, but cute. And they come with stands, hairbrush. So there is a poster in here, but I'm not sure where it is. I tear the box up. I don't want to totally demolish the box anymore. So That is just my unboxing of the Bratz Tweevils. Also, just while I was at Walmart, I got one of the Trolls little pom-pom. This is the little guy. This is Branch. Look, it is. You can put these on a backpack or a bag or purse or whatever. Isn't it cute? So, that's from the new Trolls Band Together movie. And the new Trolls. Very cute. So, that is just my little box in the Bratz Tweevils. My another birthday gift. I had a coupon, so anyway, so thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.